Okay, I'm here with Brian Miller with Miller Communications. Brian, tell us a little bit about your company.
Well, we are a interconnect company. We sell and install Samsung communication systems. We do network wiring, we do voice wiring, and we do fiber installations as well.
Okay, and I know recently we've had a discussion about maybe possibly getting a fiber optic toolkit for you so you can do it yourself out in the field, but the kit was pretty expensive, and I gave you plan B, which was the pre-terminated fiber optic cable assembly. And I know you placed an order for a couple of these. What do you think about the product overall?
The product overall is fantastic. It is labor saving. You know, I can't say enough about it. With the pulling eye, as long as you have the correct conduit size, and there's not a lot of cable in that conduit, hopefully, you know, it's a free conduit with space available. You're just not going to have any problems with that fiber pulling through the conduit. I just think it's fantastic.
Yeah, I know that's been one of the things I definitely want to stress is that typically, for example, you've gotten the 6-strand indoor-outdoor cable with connectors on the end. We stagger the connectors, and I believe the smallest diameter conduit with nothing in there is a 1-inch. Definitely, like you said, it pulls through there smooth, and as long as you don't have any crazy bends or turns, something that it might get snagged on, you know, you shouldn't have any problems. Now, what about after you pulled the pulling eye and you plugged it in? How'd everything work from building A to building B?
Oh, in all cases, since I've been using this product for quite some time now, and I think, you know, Mercy, I think you've probably steered me down that path a number of times, maybe too many times to count now, but I've not had an issue, period.
Okay, good.
Never had a problem.
Yeah, you know, we test all the fiber before it leaves, and we also include the test results, so that way when you get it to your job site, you shouldn't have to do anything else but plug and play. And it just, like you said, the important part is making sure the conduit and also how much room you got in there and the bends. And you can also order it with whatever type of connectors you want in there, the LCs, the Sam Toms, Sam Charlies. I know you've ordered the indoor-outdoor fiber, which is the most common type, but we can also do it with armored and single mode, pretty much any fiber, you know, whatever you want. Other than that, well, Brian, I definitely appreciate the feedback, and shoot, if somebody's out in your neck of the woods and maybe they don't want to pull their own fiber or terminate it themselves, or you know, want to deal with the fiber experience, they can give you a shout. I'll make sure to put a phone number there on my blog, and thank you.
You're welcome, and please do. And I just want to say this, that Mercy and company have been just fantastic to work with. Thank you.
All right, cool. Well, that's the end of that, Brian. Thank you very much.